Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the second elf for the 2024 elf hunt on Bloxburg. So I'm at the Bloxburg Street, and you're just going to go up this road here. Over here, this is where the gas station is, and you're going to find the elf on top of the Bloxy Acres sign. Just go here. Oh, also you'll need the holiday cookie to give the elf. So you're just going to give the holiday cookie, and it's going to give you 125 tickets. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I will put the next location in the playlist, and I will upload it soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!